The Number Compare simulation is an interactive educational tool designed to help students build on the ideas of counting, cardinality, and subitizing, while allowing them to compare numbers using multiple representations. This simulation is particularly useful for young learners who are developing their mathematical skills and understanding of numerical concepts. By providing a hands-on approach to comparing numbers, the simulation offers a comprehensive learning experience that covers the fundamental concepts of less, more, and equal. The simulation is divided into two main parts: the compare part and the lab part, each offering unique insights into different aspects of number comparison. The compare part of the simulation allows students to think about the concepts of less, more, and equal while comparing up to 20 objects. This interactive feature helps students understand the relationships between different quantities and develop their ability to compare and contrast numbers. By focusing on these fundamental concepts, students can build a strong foundation in basic arithmetic and numerical reasoning. The simulation provides multiple visual representations of numbers, such as dots, tallies, and numerals. These representations help students understand the concept of cardinality, which is the idea that a number represents a specific quantity. By comparing different representations of the same number, students can develop a deeper understanding of the abstract concept of numbers. Subitizing is the ability to instantly recognize the number of items in a small group without counting. The simulation encourages students to practice subitizing by presenting them with small groups of objects and asking them to compare the quantities. This skill is crucial for developing quick and accurate numerical estimation, which is an important component of mathematical fluency. Students can interact with the simulation by selecting different representations of numbers and comparing them. For example, they can compare a group of dots to a group of tallies, or a numeral to a group of objects. This interactive feature helps students understand the equivalence between different representations of the same number and reinforces their ability to compare and contrast quantities. The lab part of the simulation allows students to have a flexible space for telling mathematical stories using representations from the compare screen. This feature encourages students to create their own mathematical narratives and explore the relationships between different numbers and representations. By telling mathematical stories, students can develop their ability to communicate mathematical ideas and concepts effectively. Students can create and manipulate their own representations of numbers using the tools provided in the lab part of the simulation. For example, they can draw dots, tallies, or numerals and arrange them in different ways to create mathematical stories. This hands-on approach helps students understand the connections between different representations of numbers and reinforces their ability to compare and contrast quantities. The lab part of the simulation provides a space for students to explore mathematical concepts in a creative and open-ended way. By creating their own mathematical stories, students can develop their understanding of numerical relationships, patterns, and structures. This exploratory approach helps students build a deeper and more nuanced understanding of mathematical concepts and encourages them to think critically and creatively about numbers. Interactive learning. The simulation provides an interactive platform where students can actively engage with the concepts of counting, cardinality, and subitizing. By manipulating different representations of numbers and comparing them, students can gain a deeper understanding of numerical relationships and develop their mathematical skills. The visual nature of the simulation makes abstract concepts more tangible. Students can observe and compare different representations of numbers in real time, helping them to grasp complex ideas more easily. The simulation offers immediate feedback, allowing students to see the results of their comparisons and adjustments instantly. This helps correct misunderstandings quickly and reinforces learning through trial and error. The simulation is flexible, allowing students to explore a wide range of mathematical concepts and representations. Whether comparing different quantities, practicing subitizing, or creating mathematical stories, the simulation provides a comprehensive learning experience. The number compare simulation is a valuable tool for teaching and learning about the fundamental concepts of counting, cardinality, and subitizing. By providing an interactive, visual, and flexible platform, it helps students understand the relationships between different numbers and representations. Whether used in a classroom setting or for individual study, this simulation can significantly enhance the learning experience and build a strong foundation in basic arithmetic and numerical reasoning. Through exploration and experimentation, students can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and fascinating world of numbers and their representations. By encouraging students to think critically and creatively about mathematical concepts, the number compare simulation helps them develop the skills and confidence they need to succeed in mathematics.